Behind every reliable process system is a control panel ensuring precise, dependable control over critical systems. At Kerr Pump and Supply, control panels are designed to meet your manufacturing needs, giving confidence through superior design and freedom that comes with an automated system. We engineer and build custom control panels tailored to each application, whether it's a single pump or a complex multi-pump system. Every panel is designed to integrate seamlessly with your equipment, your process, and your operating environment. From variable frequency drives to PLC and HMI integration, Kerr control panels are built to optimize performance, improve efficiency, and protect your equipment. The result is smoother operation, reduced wear, and greater system reliability. Because Kerr understands process equipment at a system level, our control panels are not built in isolation. They're engineered as part of a complete solution and designed to work hand in hand with the process equipment they support. Each panel is assembled, tested, and validated to meet national industrial standards, ensuring consistent performance from startup through long-term operation. We are certified UL listed and can design and build to your UL508A and UL698A needs. At the end of the day, process control is about more than automation. It's about trusting that your system will respond according to requirements day in and day out. Kerr delivers control panels that perform with accuracy, durability, and confidence. Kerr Pump and Supply, engineered process control panels. Total customer satisfaction.